Gore family, and today
we're going to be roasting s'mores
over in our living room.
Yeah. This is not a real fire. It is, but yeah, like a real fire, not your wood, but it's a fire with products. Look at
Okay.
all these things over here.
You're gonna need marshmallows.
Yes, marshmallows.
Marshmallows.
Chocolate.
Lots of chocolate.
No, you don't actually need lots of chocolate unless you want to eat a lot of chocolate after, if you don't use them all. And
Graham crackers. Any kind of graham crackers you want. And we're gonna try brownies. Put the marshmallow on the brownie and try.
I wonder if it's gonna work.
Alright. So we gotta unbox this thing here.
Alright, let's do this.
What's it called? It's a Hershey's.
Hershey s'mores.
S'mores indoor and outdoor fun. We've had this thing for about 7 years.
Yeah,
and this is the
fake wood. You put it on.
Okay, let's move the box. What are these for?
I guess to set your s'mores on. Let me see it. Yeah, this is to put your s'more on, I'd
To
say.
get it ready. And buddy, what else you're gonna need is candy heat. And do it with grown-ups.
Yes. Make sure you are supervised by grown-ups. Don't try this by yourself. If you're a kid. Or a teenager. It might not work so. Oh, that's satisfying.
It's not coming out.
It is.
Out.
Oh, let me put my hand off.
What are these for?
Let me see.
There's more.
There's more of that. What else is in there?
That's all.
That's all.
Yeah.
Here, let me help you. You hold the camera.
What are filming Daddy? He's trying to get it open.
He got it.
He got it
This is probably
open.
where the thing goes.
Yeah.
Okay. So
Look.
Molly just got done.
Yeah. Look at this. Like, it's small.
But you can also wash marshmallows on it.
Yeah. It looks really cool.
Okay.
And Bubby is like just sitting on the steps, spinning our laundry basket.
That's what he likes to do is
Yeah.
spin stuff.
He does. He spins bowls, he spins
it comes
cups.
with these, so whenever you do this, you won't need to buy these. These and see.
Yeah, look, it's like,
what
I think
you
it's like
do.
a placemat for your,
And try not to poke yourself with these.
yeah. We've been told that a lot. Because it will hurt.
And it comes with 4 things.
Yeah.
You can adjust them.
You can't.
Oh.
Nope. So whenever you're sitting up here.
Yeah. We got the hugest. Like, oh, here, let's scoot up a little bit. Oh my gosh, it's so small. Like, Daddy will have to put the stuff in it.
It stinks.
It does.
He has to light it.
Oh,
Let's
why
put
is
it
there
in
so
its-
much glitter on the bottom of my foot?
Let's put it in its protective
Glitter.
case here, so we don't get burned.
Yes. All right, put it in here.
I'm
And
going
then
to. Hold
light
on.
it.
Let me just
No.
get a shot of Daddy. Look at this. Look at Daddy.
Yeah, because if you use these and you try to poke somebody, it's gonna hurt. So don't.
Yeah, look at that. It's gonna start.
All right, it's ready.
All right.
Okay, so let's get started. First, what you're gonna do is you're gonna get your graham crackers.
It's a pitchfork. It's a pitchfork.
You're gonna get your graham crackers.
Yeah. Be careful.
And you only need 1 graham cracker, but you need 2 actually. But you need 1 graham cracker.
One whole cracker that you can tear into 2.
Yes.
I'm gonna get a placemat.
And one time I did it the wrong way, and I cut it like that. It was
Biggest mistake of your life because you messed up the marshmallow.
and I cut it unevenly, but I'm gonna use it. So yeah.
Alright, where's your pitchfork? Yeah, I like your idea of putting it down so Daniel can get it. Oh guys, look. It says Hershey's on the
And
handle.
then next you're gonna use your Hershey's. We bought the big kind, but you don't need the big kind.
It sounds like we're sponsored by Hershey's.
But we're not.
No. But it, yeah, we've had this for.
We're gonna do 2 Hershey's.
You have to use two Hershey's.
No, you don't. You can actually use one.
Oh yeah, sorry. I've got 2 for you.
Okay.
Got your trays ready?
Yep. Molly's is over there beside her. It's very cold.
Yeah, we've had it in the fridge.
2 Hershey's on one side.
We have the
Yeah.
big kind.
I'm gonna take mine in half like this. I don't know why.
What if we would have got the jumbo kind?
It would have been way too big. We should turn the fans off, you think? I don't think you're supposed to catch it on fire. I think you just roast it. It's literally roasting marshmallows, not burning marshmallows.
So you just do that?
Mm-hmm.
It's gonna take us a year.
Should turn the fans in warm.
It's actually warm.
It's warm. Ow!
It's not that warm.
It was warm. Don't touch it after you get done. Very hot. I'm getting mad.
She's over exaggerating.
So I'm gonna mark. I might melt the chocolate. I'm gonna try to melt the chocolate.
Chocolate is good. We should have put it in there.
No.
That's the point of this.
Oh, Molly got hers
All right, hold on.
on fire!
Yeah, it says not to catch the fire.
Yeah, that's just the marshmallow burning.
It smells good.
It does. If you touch that with that, it will burn. Don't do it.
It will burn what?
The marshmallow, look.
Molly, put it back down there. It's not. It's going to taste delicious.
You want it to be warm enough to melt your chocolate at least.
50 million years later. What's the year? I managed to count that.
Okay, we're used to instant gratification.
This. Let me look at it. These are good.
Oh, I just put mine on. Give it a rating.
1 out of 10.
1 out of 10.
It's a 9.
Oh,
Awesome.
I haven't tried mine yet, so I can't give it a rating.
Hot. Our chocolate hard.
got wrong chocolate. That's loud. Alright, a rating is
1 out of 10.
a 9.5.
Are you gonna race me one?
Sure.
Yeah, because Daddy wants one.
I might have to get a drink after this. That's really good. Right now, eat the bride. So good.
Well, I put the marshmallow on the crooked.
Come here, Daniel. Say hi.
Because I'm too busy with
Your,
mine.
your cup fidget spinner.
That's what I was gonna say. You took the words right from my mouth.
This is what Daniel does. He makes his own fidget spinners.
So we don't have to buy one. That's what it does all day.
Okay, Daddy.
Oh, I'll get my hair.
You want your own?
Yes, I want my own.
You want your own, like,
Oh no, I don't care. I just want.
Did I get
us.
my hair?
No.
Okay. Because I felt like I got it in my hair.
No, I don't. Oh wait. No, it's just glitter.
Hey, guess what? When we go to Tennessee, Papa says we might go to camp.
When did you talk to Papa?
My mom said that.
Oh. When did you
It's
talk?
melting. Oh!
What did you get on? Oh, you.
Oh!
It's okay.
Oh,
We're here to control it.
oh, that smells good. You guys, if you plan on doing this, drink water.
Cause
You will get thirsty.
I had to go get it. Oh, 20 million hours later.
Can you catch on fire?
I'm trying. 30 hours. 30 days later.
We're still here.
Let's see.
Here, let me roast.
A little bit more.
Let me roast.
Oh, can roast mommy one.
Can I? Mommy, you want more marshmallows?
You can roast me one.
Yay!
I'll eat two.
No, you can roast the brown one.
Oh yeah, there you go.
I'll roast Daddy's brown marshmallow.
Okay, so let's put it on Daddy's majiggy.
This is one of our best cake bounds. I think I broke the chair.
You cannot. You can't. Well, you can.
Okay,
You're not big enough.
you open the marshmallows, Daddy, you have to rate it.
Kind of 1 out of 10.
Gee whiz. Took the biggest bite ever. That is
It's really good.
It is.
I'll give it a 10.
I give it
I gave it
that. Alright, my next marshmallow.
I'm gonna wait a minute.
I already waited on it.
Time to make my brownie s'more.
Mommy,
Right now.
I don't know if I'm gonna make a brownie one. I might just take a little bite of it for like the chocolate. I didn't get to eat a brownie the other day. These are mommy's. These homemade.
Yeah.
These are mommy's
It's not
homemade. These are mommy's homemade brownies.
Straight up.
Yep. That's homemade. That's what we call homemade here. So what do? You just take the whole thing of chocolate and put it on there?
So what are you gonna do? You're gonna make that's gonna be your graham cracker. Then you're gonna put chocolate and a marshmallow on it.
That's the most chocolatey thing ever.
That sounds really good.
Yeah, that sounds good, but it's gonna be super chocolate. Think about that. Daddy, which one do you prefer? Hershey's or Reese's?
Hershey's.
Really? You have to live. You have to love.
And I'm putting a half on here.
But I'll agree. Hershey's is good. Can you hand me a marshmallow, please?
If you like, put your hand over it, but don't put it too close because sometimes it comes up
Yeah.
Yes, it will burn.
right there.
You can feel the
It
heat.
feels good.
Yeah. This was bigger. We wouldn't be fighting over who got the best spot.
I'm putting on exactly where the fire is.
I'm trying to. Oh, you can smell the gas.
Did it catch on fire?
No, there was just like a big old flame that just shot up, didn't it? What's that noise?
It's a train.
Don't sound like a train.
That's what it is.
Yeah, it's not wanting to stay. It's the biggest s'more I've ever had.
Look at how weird that looks. Oh my gosh, there's gonna be chocolate falling everywhere. Oh, Mommy, I got goodness. Oh my gosh, brownie just fell everywhere.
It's okay.
That looks like it looks
good.
like it looks like
Yeah, it's not wanting to stay. It's the biggest s'more I've ever had.
Look at how weird that looks. Oh my gosh, there's gonna be chocolate falling everywhere. Oh, Mommy, I got goodness. Oh my gosh, brownie just fell everywhere.
It's okay.
That looks like it looks
good.
like it looks like
I like the s'more after s'more brownie.
Too much chocolate.
told you.
Death by chocolate.
Maybe you should have left the.
Extra chocolate off of it.
I didn't even bite the Hershey chocolate. Thanks for watching. If you made it down to the end of the video,
Yeah. And make sure you like and subscribe. And yeah. We will see you guys next video.
so
Bye.
First time we've used it.